Hey guys, it's Trippy, welcome to the video. This is going to be a continuation of our trip to Devon, so it's going to be in Ilfracombe again. And unfortunately, the selfie stick, or the GoPro mount, whichever you want to call it, I forgot. Of all the things to forget when I'm sort of going somewhere to film, and I forgot my stick, so I had to hold the camera between my finger and thumb, which made it like really awkward. So some of the shots might be a little bit wonky than I would have liked, and not as good in general as like I would have hoped for, but still I'll do my best to kind of work with what I've made kind of thing. There will be some drone shots as well of the town and like the beach around the area, and we just probably picked a really good time to go. It was kind of like golden hour where the sun is like quite low in the sky. You can probably tell by a lot of people's faces, everyone's sort of like smiling and enjoying themselves. It's just like a really good day for it, and like perfect for riding around in the Onewheel. I'm just sort of kicking myself like I forgot the stick, but I think I'm going to have one more video after this to come, which is in Croyd, but for now, yeah, this is Ilfracombe, and I hope you enjoy. It was definitely a good idea to come out. Oh, this probably just takes us back to the car park. Look at there's those big things you were saying about.
Yeah, I want to go.
Just trying to get a shot of them doing a trick from here. I wonder why I had leather gloves on.
Right, those things.
That would be good.
I don't even know what they are. It's like an art gallery. Is that all it is, do you think?
Yep. Mine just not that deep. Probably salvage it.